Some key takeaways for us based on what you saw briefly today. One, you can simplify your release and iteration planning with a single unified product backlog. Two, you can set data-driven internal and external expectations based on release scope and timelines. If only your customer knew ahead of time that something is not going to come in that they were expecting, it sets a very clear expectation to them rather than a surprise element where a release came in and that customer did not see what they were expecting to see. The fired scenario is the easiest one that Punita explained earlier. Three, you can prioritize your business critical requirements and improve people's productivity. Organizations struggle to understand, how much work is happening as per aligned strategy versus not aligned with strategy. It doesn't mean that people are not doing things. It just may mean that they're spending time on things that may not be critical for the business to succeed. Four, you can align your development efforts with market and customer needs to drive product adoption. What is the most important thing that is sticky and important for this customer to succeed? That is something that the product owner should have their pulse on, besides everything else that may be, important but not critical enough. Lastly, ensuring SLA adherence. Missed SLA is the first example Punita shared, and this is so common that happens that people actually oftentimes joke about it. But ensuring that you are able to meet SLAs, improve your customer satisfaction, and in Klera you can even track the sentiment of the tickets coming in, and reducing customer churn in today's environment is something that everyone absolutely desires. So these are some key takeaways. The value, as Punita shared earlier, of a single source of truth, a unified product backlog, just the process of getting into it itself is a huge step that an organization can take, no matter, as she explained, the size you may be in, whether you're a startup, a Fortune 500, a Fortune 50, or a Fortune 5. It has its merits once you get into solving this problem, independent of the tools behind the scenes.